Today I'm over in Ireland. I'm at the Engineering Technology Group, their division here in Ireland. This topic is about Guhring. It's about their new, or one of their new products. Now, interestingly, before we start this with Chris, an interesting fact is that Guhring actually reinvest 5% of the company's turnover back into research and development, and that's why you're continually innovating, isn't it? And this is a new product. Tell us about it.
Another new product. So this is our new RF100 Ripper. It's got radial and axial through coolant. It's got our carbo coating on it, which is a DLC coating, a diamond-like coating.
So tell me about the makeup of the tool and why it is better for those applications that you've described.
Yeah, so the carbide grain is for aluminium. We have the carbo coating on it, the DLC coating. We have radial through coolant, axial through coolant. So that enables us to interpolate in full slot. We can actually full slot at full depth.
So tell me about the teeth on this and what impact that has on the machining process as well, and the life of the tool, because they're the important things.
Yes, and life is very important, and this is how we've come up with this design. It's not your normal knuckle style ripper, and it's also asymmetrical. So while it doesn't leave a rough finish, actually it leaves a nearly nice finish, a nearly perfect finish. But also it's the chip formation. Normal knuckle fine teeth rippers in aluminium will clunk together. It fills your T-slots up in your machine, hard to remove. This is nice, easily washed away chips. So it's quite different.
And how long has this tool been available?
Well, the new knuckle design came out around last year, and this one's just come out around the end of last year.
So just give me an example then of one of your customers that's using this particular product and maybe a saving that they've made or a difference that they've experienced.
Yeah, so we have a customer using these, and we changed all their cutting data.
In order to use this?
In order to use this, yes. So we upped their cutting data, and they tried one of their older rippers and found out they had to reduce the feed to 30%.
And what was the application that they were actually machining?
So removing metal, large aluminium plates. So they were using this full flute length, 75% step over, which is 9 mil at 22 mil deep at 0.12 per tooth. So it works out at 4 meters a minute.
4 meters a minute. Okay, so pretty impressive. How do your products, Chris, stack up Guhring in this area compared to a lot of your competition? Because it is a pretty congested market, isn't it? There's a lot of choice.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of choice. There's a lot of competition. You know, it's a saturated market, and I think this ripper differs from anybody else's. You know.
I mean, when you take Guhring, do you think? I mean, we've been to their place in back in Birmingham, and wow, that really has set them apart from a lot. Do you think a lot of it comes down to that research and development, that they're actually actively, continually changing and innovating? Yeah,
no doubt. I'm constantly getting into customers, constantly new products. You know, there's always something new to tell them. You know, they're always glad to see me. You know?
How do you keep learning?
It's hard to keep up with. It definitely is, definitely.
Good stuff. Thank you very much, Chris. Looks a great product. Thank you.